feet down over here in East Point, checking out the mural. Finna meet up one of my peoples today. Gonna check out some southern food. So he said, Rod, come on through, I got you. I was like, oh, okay. So you know, that's part of that check-in thing. Not that it's mandatory. You just call your peoples up and say, hey, I'm in your city, even if you're just passing through. And you can go from there, you know. Just something that somebody told me about one time. East Point Antiques. Q Southern Style Restaurant, BGR Grill. Just checking out the locals. Hey y'all, here's another episode. This could be you, but you're not here. Man, I got some Baldhead, man. Wait, let me stop, man. Let me introduce y'all. This is my man Baldhead Customs right here, man. Innovator, hard days in the world, on motorcycles, man. My man said, Rob, when you come to town, holler at your boy. He got me. You see what he eating on, man? That's the classic chicken and waffle move over there. He got the boneless ones, but you know we gonna work with that scrambled eggs. Where we at today, my man?
We at Thumbs Up, man, in East Point, Georgia, man.
Yeah, and you see what I got? I got grits with the shrimp up in there, and some catfish scrambled. Man, this is some southern cooking. All I got to say is, if you ain't here, kill yourself. Gotta go. Bam, live and direct. Money's Car Stereo brings to you. Ooh, look at this cooler. Man, with this right here, this shit right here, you gonna be, ooh, I feel the breeze. That's the baby right there. And in case y'all don't know who I'm talking to, as you see, bam, look at the flow. He on the flow. See me now, see me later. And this is the man himself. There you go.
What's up with you, man?
What's up with you, baby?
All right.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Like I said, before we get into this stack of equipment we got right here, this man did this years ago. You see how tall he is. I saw a stack of F6s back over there tall as him, and some JVC Chameleons on the other side of him, and I said, man, when I grow up, I want to be like him. I said, man, and if you don't know what this means when you see this type of inventory, that means he's investing in himself. And so that's all I got to say about that. Man, how you doing today, my brother?
Good, man. I'm full. We had breakfast this morning.
Oh, yeah, we went out there socializing, you know, as you said, networking and checking in, as Big Cell would say. Man, how long you been in the Harley Davidson business, man?
I moved here in 2007.
2007.
2007.
Uh-huh.
You know what, man? This is what I want to do. I started at the crib.
Uh-huh.
I outgrew the crib real fast. You know,
Uh-huh.
people that want them motorcycles.
So you had to get up out the house garage. Okay.
People say they pay too much money for their houses, man.
You come here with all this noise, this ruckus.
Right.
Okay.
And man, I've been here, man. And I've been blessed, man. I've been here ever since, man.
Okay. So, what made you move from? You originally from Los Angeles, right?
Yeah.
So what brought you from California out to the A?
You know what, man? Just a change, man.
Uh-huh.
I just had my youngest son, who's 14 now.
Uh-huh.
And my daughter was just leaving junior high, going into high school.
Yeah.
Want to do something different. I actually came out here, man, and did something that I didn't think I'd be able to do, and that was build my dream home.
Oh, you built a dream home out here?
Dream home, ground up.
So it was affordable to come out here to Atlanta, let you live your dream?
Man.
I should say live your best life?
I built 6,500 square feet, man.
Oh, okay.
$500,000. You know, that's
okay.
13, 14 million back home.
Oh, Lord, yeah. Okay, I feel what you're saying.
So, yeah, that's it, man. And, it's been, you know, when I came here, I said, you know, man, what I want to do, and I said, I was into motorcycles.
Uh-huh.
So I got with my man Scooter in LA. It's like, man, this is what I want to do. He gave me the recipe.
Uh-huh.
You know, shit, the rest is history.
Okay, shaking, baking, now you on your own.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like I said, it's 100 miles of running, y'all. And so I came to see what's going on, you know, and so I see, is that the bike I've seen in videos before with the custom front headlights on it?
Which one?
The yellow bike, yeah.
Yeah, that's Clio.
That's Clio.
Yeah.
Look, man, let's take a look over here, man.
Clio got a new owner, though.
Got a new owner?
Yeah, see the license plate.
You had,
still way in Ohio.
Oh, Lord, so you had to let it go.
Yeah, I let it go, and he brought it back for me to do some touch-ups and tune-ups to it. So I just got to get the fluids in there, put his pipe back on. He had took it to a dealership, mad at it. Took it out of there and brought it back to me in pieces.
Okay.
So I got it all back together. I just got to put the fluids, the pipe on. You want me to tune up. I do got to take the chameleon out because it's a little too complicated for him.
Oh, it's not user friendly for him.
It ain't user friendly for him.
Oh, for him.
Yeah,
Okay.
So I got him an Alpine that's one in there.
But for those who don't know, the chameleon was the shit.
Yeah, that's the shit.
Still is the shit. JVC did their thing with that move, man. I'm telling y'all.
Yes,
And let me, y'all, as Punchy and them said, Allen's everywhere.
Oh yeah. Allen's
so
everywhere.
when you talk about Allen's everywhere, we talking. It's all in the details, as y'all can see here, here.
You ain't gonna
And
find it, not one nowhere.
you gonna find not one, not nowhere. And we was having a conversation while we was eating. We talking about these rocket boxes. That's that Arlen nut stuff that you can't get. That been gone, but it was the shit when it was out there. But with all these Allens, it's in the detail work. That means a lot of trips to the hardware store if you don't know what you're looking for.
They holding the speakers in.
Oh, what the? Whoa! Even on the speakers, he got the Allens, y'all. You have to get back off this noise. Don't worry about that noise. But you know we got to keep it cool up in here. And he got major fans running because we in the indoor enclosure. But yeah, man, it was man.